In this video, we're going to look at the round function in Excel. The round function is used when you want to round a number to a specific number of decimal places. Let's look at how the formula works. After typing equals round in an open paren, you see the build out of this formula. The first thing you have to put in is the cell that contains the number that you want to round. Then after a comma, you put in the amount of decimal places that you want it to be rounded to. Now let's see this in action. I'll delete what we already have here in this cell, and then up in C2, I'll type in our round formula, followed by the open paren. Then I'll reference cell B2, and I'll say that I want 2 digits after the decimal place. When I hit enter, you notice it's now rounded that number. Now I can click in the corner, and I can drag this down to the remaining cells. Note that the round function follows standard rules when it comes to rounding up or rounding down. If a number is higher than 5, it will round up. If it is lower, it will round down. So in this case, in row 2, it is rounded up because of that 7, and in row 3, it's rounded down because of the 4. Now let's go into this cell, and let's change this so that we have 0 decimal places. And then we click back into that cell, and again we drag down from the corner, and it updates all the rest of the cells with the new formula. And that's it for the round formula in Excel. Round is especially useful when working with prices, averages, percentages, or any calculation where you want cleaner results. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tutorials.